Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for. So what's na hache? Ombe bua uma onsaka wonkrata. Na swedi edron so a eyomo kokokra. Eba ni nipa sitinemu eni ejumemu nsem bia. Omo dimu akotene pa. Omo wo mre di mani pe bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK and around the world, tune in to Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, views, interviews, and what have you. Download our free mobile radio app from the App Store and the Play Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For all enquiries, advertisements, or to work with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK.
Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for. So what's na hache? Ombe bua uma onsaka wonkrata. Na swedi edron so a eyomo kokokra. Eba ni nipa sitinemu eni ejumemu nsem bia. Omo dimu akotene pa. Omo wo mre di mani pe bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations, Austin Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebi de biye.
Good evening. Welcome to the program. Afi Shiapa, Afi. This is time for Legal Matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. It's Christmas, and as usual, it's time to celebrate what the Lord has done for us for the whole of the year. So this seems to be a very special version or episode of this program, Legal Matters. And at you for the entire and the program ban say update biaba she emergency pa enti na yede atoamo enti we dey say yebesemos festivities. Today is 27th December, but it's very, very important. If you can see for the update, biaba. 4th December, no more issues our statement, no. Na here pa se yene mobeche sa nsem no na afutu ni afie bia Wisemart for the man no amoso munya muchefa. Enti we ne de ayen se brekra na I am the lawyer Francis Ebeba na yashe jumedi nasi. Right. Welcome to Legal Matters. Lawyer Francis, how are you, the family and Wisemart Solicitors? Afin Shiapa.
Yo, Afin Committee, good evening. It's here for the actual for the DJ KB. Maybe will be our Top Online digital platform. So in Chakasi, every Wisemart Solicitors and name a Bushia. Wish him a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Amen.
Pipe was Obia Kuma Swadi 2024. Babe Remuno. Sir Yakupombe Ubia Kumaso Ade Amai. No. Wisemart Solicitors. Sure, Yakupa Daruma, Bibia Danekwa, so in Chakasi free hall. Ma wo DJ KB ene wa chef for net for our platform ne so.
Amen. Yesum pa Yamisha. Now we wish the same to you and your followers, Wisemart for staff, the principal. Lawyer Wisdom in himself to tell a name of followers in a T4. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. May all your dreams come true in the New Year. Amen and amen. Because an update in here, Reverend George Boyne will say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and the family. God bless you so much, and all your listeners. Enjoy 2024 with good news. Amen. Mr. Busa for mon share link and go send update in the here pa. And dear lawyer Major Amo.
Yo.
Not dear because updating nothing else car on me crams and me kakra.
Oh,
Enti we the Major Amo na wa no hwe gu mine. Enti say questions be ba at for so our question be about this topic and that topic now. You can call the number on your screen at the top of your screen, which is 0208 133 5876. That is 0208 133 5876. Mamia last week who friend upon Mr. Frentem. Frentem na lawyer anti you question animal. And I'll be to me tap your question also in the Facebook question comment section honum a bar me kind amount na lawyer a year normal. Mr. Oba, share my your lawyer, Yan Shasi. And idea says in your emergency update. We as to say almost a new statement be about 4th December and on my issue. To lawyer, we had the platform of man what take you through what is involved in this new statement. If you can see him for the lawyer.
Yo, me da say if you in Chakasi a comma on what here for yo, the bit best chance here and court decision via a by NJ via is talking about deprivation of British citizenship without advance notice is lawful, says the upper tribunal.
It's lawful.
DJ KB, me repeating if your mom.
Pacho I
Or say deprivation of British citizenship without advance notice is lawful, says upper tribunal. Yo, mami Timu Kakra. Or say the upper tribunal has held that it is lawful for the Home Secretary to deprive a person of their British citizenship without notice. In this case, because of a concern that the second nationality would be renounced. Renunciation would have meant that deprivation of British citizenship would be at risk of being held unlawful, as it would have left the appellant stateless. The case of Kolicha, deprivation, procedure, and discretion, Albania, citation here UKUT 294 IAC. The appellant was notified that he had been deprived of his citizenship on the same day that he had been notified that it was under review due to his criminal conviction. We'll share a bit of footnote now. I say the requirements of procedural fairness are highly fact sensitive, but would normally require that the Secretary of State notifies an individual that she is minded to deprive them of their citizenship so as to afford them an opportunity to make representations. The Secretary of State might lawfully dispense with that step. However, where there is proper reason to believe that the individual would attempt to frustrate the process upon receipt of such notification, where the Secretary of State seeks to deprive a person of British citizen under Section 42 of the British Nationality Act 1981, she may lawfully dispense with the minded to step where there is a clear and obvious risk of the individual renouncing any other citizenship so as to render themselves stateless and engage the statelessness proviso in section 44. Mame, what the summary of the case is all about, what happened. The appeal was allowed in this case. Because appeal was allowed, first year tribunal no omo refuse home office omo deprive no na omo dey call court and home office elusu ye into a call upper tribunal no and I say the appeal was allowed in this case into upper tribunal not turning first year tribunal no decision no ama home office.
Wow.
The reason being is the appeal was allowed in this case not because of the lack of notice given, but because of deficiencies in the reasons provided by the Home Secretary on her use of discretion in making the deprivation decision. An onward appeal against the findings about the need to give notice and an opportunity to make representation against a decision to deprive may be unlikely as a result. For now, the Home Secretary has been given the green light to make deprivation decision in this way, and it is not difficult to imagine that we may see an increase in no notice deprivation decisions. Nti what the case ni nyinaa can say because nipa no wɔ criminal convention no ɛna no a British ni na ɔmagye ne British citizenship afiri ne nsam But all because sure criminal convention. Now, Nanka was a home office about Nikoko. But home office, man straight say, wouldn't say, ya do British passport and free with him. Now, we him, Dolly call court, no, first year tribunal, as in no home office, wouldn't mean yes, sir. But a core upper tribunal, home office church, and you mum say, was a man time money by and representation, or then the lawyers by no. That time, no, or more assume say, or ya aware, say ya j a dinner free him. A noon tina or the representation by no. Into technically, unya wanka umfa lawyer must say, or magia dinner free him. Into one how or more analyze it and then. Into that tells you, into share almost send a see capono. Home office bay you see the same strategy as strategy the German for British citizenship every almost seven. And all because of criminality.
Wow.
Into Mr. Criminal convention, we are serious about it. And they don't joke with it. Yo. And a biomonsono is Nyoma in terms of na kano DJ KB kano 4th December adia omo issue ye Home Secretary issue ye and even House of Commons Library omo briefing of changes to legal immigration rules no e be affected family and work visa no omo so e publish ye. Now, me per se call House of Commons. House of Commons is part of UK parliamentary proceedings. UK House of Commons. Omo omo emrano amana call UK system of parliament in House of Commons and House of Lords. Inti emrana medical call House of Commons no and sana a call House of Laws no.
Okay.
Yeah. But mostly House of Commons no are elected MPs. But House of Lords no are not elected MPs. It's by merit and all sort of ways of appointing people to be House of Lords. In the OSHA Omo Library documentation now, also your analysis about the changes to the legal migration rules now, and who instancewa ebeba family and work visas no in 2024. And no me pese ne yehwe and sana ya picking the main changes na nkasa no.
Okay.
Almost on 4th of December 2023, the Home Secretary announced future changes to visa rules in what he described as a 5-point plan to reduce immigration. The Home Office published information about the proposal on 21st December, including some changes to what had initially been announced. In the 4th of December, no, and almost subium on 21st of December.
Okay.
In the ensure from 21st of December, no changes are or more amended. No, Ebini saying, what are the 5 changes announced? Social care workers will not be allowed to bring dependents, that is, partners and children, on their visa. Into your time frame, no? When is it going to start?
Right.
The next one is the baseline minimum salary to be sponsored for a skilled worker visa will rise from 26,200 to 38,700, but not for the health and care worker visa, which includes social care or for education workers on national pay scales. Once a time, be social worker, but we don't add education workers as well, teachers and that kind of thing. Into one said Hano library now specify. And then the other one is a changes to the shortage occupation list to significantly reduce the number of jobs where it will be possible to sponsor overseas workers below the baseline minimum salary, which is the main purpose of the list.
Wow.
And also, the minimum income normally required to sponsor someone for a spouse partner visa will rise in stages. Honey, Rebecca into details in stages. So, a started a movie from 18,600 to 29,000, and ultimately a bedroom 38,700 now. Opposite or achieve no. You better the time frame these changes will come.
Okay.
And I say, when will the changes happen? The time frame, no. When is it going to start? So say me T5 plans now, or more 5-point plans now. We have one no. And amendments almost started more published here from 21st of December 2023. No. I say the Home Secretary initially said it will all take effect from the next spring. One said from 4th of December, no can say spring, March 2024, never starting.
Yeah.
But exception for the graduate visa review, there are now different timelines for different measures.
Wow.
In this one, 21st of December, no, was up by changing and no say it was a time saying now we started and we started and we started. So let's the 5-point plan now picking. You're picking one after the other. Near even the time frame, no.
Okay.
And I said, when is it going to happen?
Sure.
Banning newly arriving care workers from bringing immediate family will happen as soon as possible in the new year.
Wow. So
Interdependent partner, dependent parent, from 1st of January 2024, ultimi fa omumba.
Wow. Wait there, lawyer. Minchawano na asema. Okay. The last meeting, update in the buy, make a statement. Be say, Mcrofu we there. So I was for so person you be in term because one bet me as someone. You we are no be frame make I say asema makanti or koyenai. And no na lawyer abam you. Asema omwaka say I didn't care this spring.
Yes.
Next year. After the someone say immediate almost immediately.
As soon as possible in the new year.
From 1st January.
Yes.
I say more for your lawyer,
the next one, I see the skilled worker minimum salary increase will happen in April 2024.
April 2024. Okay, I know there's it will go by original plan, original time frame. Okay.
Yeah. And I see changes to the shortage occupation list will happen no earlier than April 2024.
Okay.
And I see the spouse partner visa minimum income will first increase to 29,000, which is spring 2024, to around 34,500 at an unspecified time, likely later in 2024. And finally, to around 38,700 in early 2025. In Joshua, partner spouse visa application, minimum income, first, Nanka almost started with 38,700. Bibinti almost saw my doing a drop on 29,000. Almost a bit take effect spring 2024, which is March 2024.
Wow.
And a biomusuno, and no bar likely or myself Pisino, ako 34,500, but and only an unspecified time. Our anticipation is likely later in 2024.
Wow.
And finally, 38 in the Omedru. Almost Omedru 38,700, in early 2025.
Yes, almost some margin.
Almost that's the sound margin. Almost because there were most of comments, most of views coming out. Indeed, that was the reason why they quickly come back on 21st of December 2023, to make a statement that, oh, okay, you're about to be breaking it down. Actually, because to be frank, your comments are never now day. To the extent said they wanted to find yeah partners, yeah can we meet the requirement?
Your lawyer, where yeah, but fun questions and as and when they come. And for the first one. Now say so what about if the person did application for his children last week, Thursday? My children submitted their passports last week, Thursday, at the UK embassy. And what is their situation? Well, what is their almost situation? Say what is their their luck and their fate regarding this new update, lawyer?
The almost submitted just was it last week?
Last week, Thursday.
Thursday. Also, Kikatama and Rani take effect.
Okay.
On only the one who the sort of visa, but assume, sir,
say it's children. Children, Opeso Kofa Nemaba.
Okofa Nema, or skilled worker, and answer health and care, and answer Okuta the British passport, and answer was settled.
Or health and care.
Or health
and care, yeah.
It was now making about when is it going to start? And I said, when will the changes happen? Thank God, I say, banning new arriving care workers from bringing immediate family will happen as soon as possible in the new year.
Okay.
Into Ushama, or an application before say you been run new year, ain't affecting.
Wow.
We did until say a back to 2024 new year honor they will try and make sure say they will implement by using the new law.
Okay. All right. In terms lawyer we dey nipa or the question by a futu a modern man last meeting of I.
Yes.
So we be in term and pass or in term to say no.
Yeah.
Even though a man some margin still. When you are avoid
it. Before say new and running now. They have to use the old one.
Okay.
Rather than the new one. Until me use the new one because we application before say the new law neighbor.
Okay.
The old one will cover you.
Okay. Your lawyer, that's it. You also send as and when the questions come, I'll chip them in. Thank you. Was it we thank God?
Yeah. And if you also know the last out of the 5-point plan with the Abano changes Babe happen the graduate visa review on the Migration Advisory Committee say more reform or say will begin in January and may run until late 2024. Because Migration Advisory Committee working on that now, they can specifically give the exact time the changes is going to take effect. Or more anticipated roughly by late 2024 now, they will get a feedback from the Migration Advisory Committee by making a recommendation, and they will implement it. We go further by saying, will there be advance warning of the exact date for the changes? All these measures would need to be implemented in statements of changes to the immigration rules, except beginning the graduate visa review. Statements of changes must be laid before Parliament and are therefore published. Ebi wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmogye parliamentary approval.
Okay.
Legally, there is no minimum length of time that statements need to be laid before coming into effect. But by convention, there is usually at least 21 days between the statement being laid and the changes in it taking effect, and often longer in practice. It is possible that the changes to care worker dependents will breach this convention if the intention is to implement them in early January. We also say a person who issue statement of changes I was say a parliament, not parliament approval or mama approval and sana taking effect. All these proceedings normally take 21 days. Okay. But care worker there now we say a person started dependents almost stop them from coming from January early 2024 it will not meet that 21 days let alone say let me appear on the statement of changes.
Okay.
Until by convention a breach that side okay student one there by almost to me switch
yeah.
Once and also went to me a fan called parliament to meet the 21 days but they make it immediate effect.
Yeah.
And that tells you the power belongs to them as to when they think is due for them to do that. They can bypass parliament.
Wow.
If it's a critical need, yeah.
Do you know quite to say say the court Ghana almost again LI and I think said
legislative instrument, yeah.
And I say executive instrument.
No, you cannot executive instrument.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's from the executive.
Okay.
The executive is important for us to pass this law.
Okay.
So they have that instrument, they have the power to issue that instrument.
Oh, okay.
And that's how it's working. For Amofo say, idea where was here any money we are in here parliamentary approval.
Wow. Hey, democracy, you are no train. Now the only
indeed, that's how it based on care worker dependence, obviously. So on person we early January. I'm afraid enko parliament.
Okay.
That's water in Chemuno Wahanomo. By share a situation or say will MPs be voting to approve, reject, or amend the changes? Because new Secretary of State, at the 5-point plan abasa or debate change immigration.
Right.
Indeed, there was a call parliament, Ebusasa MPs bet me a voting no major to and also moving to and also because the changes are
okay.
Unlikely changes to the immigration rules take effect automatically unless either the House of Commons or House of Lords actively vote to annul them within 40 days.
Right.
Usually, there is no vote and the government is not obliged to make time for one in the Commons, even if a motion against the changes is tabled. It is all said, Uyema, a binding will to me, sir, my party administrate.
Right.
But in some way, obetumi so di akọ ama obetumi di akọ parliament.
Okay.
Ama MPs debate and now say MPs for obedi atum. Once I walk Ghana asem so binding for say dey wey e was say me here parliament here obey use the executive instrument no.
Okay. Asem we tie for Brenda kwa na ko question bia you can call the number at the top of your screen, which is 0208 133 5876. 0208 133 5876. Wait me a friend up a question. I'll wait me a type or Facebook comment section. Lydia last week, offer near upon my own so abaline also. Enti wait me a friend and sana yapon. Mr. Because I offer later, I be not yentimi amfa. Right now, as you can hear my voice, you can call and ask your question. Yo, me da say, but your boss also I know I share link now for society because update today very, very, very important. Your lawyer into us.
Yo, yeah, the same situation now. ABA MPs or say if there is a vote on changes to the immigration rules. The proposed changes cannot be amended. They can either be accepted or voted down in their entirety. That means no further legislation is needed.
Wow.
It is Prime Minister no prepare now the court now so more vote and now say more vote no because some need to ma untimi nya hwe or say okopa sa akwa from.
Wow.
Nti ebi wo ha de omo hwe ebeboa no omo fa parliament kra
Your lawyer where the yemfa of referee in internet and no sem. Welcome to Legal Matters. But your honor free.
But nyame nshira o but Dr. Boyani DJ.
Hey. I Prophet Bishop Dr. I Kabum. You acquire Bafisha Panso.
I think committee. I think say na lawyer nim die ni sika ne na pomode ne bibia akosoro.
Amen.
Why insura pa.
Amen. Yo lawyer ha my question
na. But yo ready I mean insura mo. I'm saying programming lawyers for last 2 weeks as 3 weeks or started on this program. I think say my share link in the mama ko popa anti. I'm say aboa said the no kan ya so mama metima dan pa. Na me send my club could be baba ko ha say na. Oh yeah nurse ha say or no oba care ibi na me send them as the CNT me na me friend bi say OT and na say sorry odwum to pon no betie ni nyina enti me na me ka so lawyer chechere review na abani na oye say lawyer bi ne kasa anyura na enti na person find out from lawyer so that enkoye false hope or say na lawyer ne ka chere ne say review na abani chere say obi bia wa ha bia dadade okopa o partner na oba affected you will be affected na obey application aba they will be affected but if you're here already you will not be affected by it until and I'm better me find out so that will not be many information being so lawyer betima clear hono ama etiefo ehu ani ehu say no what the person this is the stand na and I'm better me frama Meti lawyer so Eddie Ashe.
Yo, me da say. Lawyer, I'm senior opportunity say o say obi akamibia to na sum say say wo system num dada dia sibia wo yuki hanum already dia. Any even say next year no kra no the new update in ba it will not affect you. Well waiting akofa wo dependence aba. But I say until person who say is that the case and I say who wom that kra no a na say wa anya application now name what na spring we no ba na the new law no come into effect ubetimi akofa wo dependent aba lawyer say na city
yo me da say reverend
okay
at the same time yeah etienne say UK aban eshemra on kase me shame rana ma omo kwa form ni baba omo wa ha ene ayi real so be specify say okay omo ba for na
Reverend Bacho ubet me lowa o Facebook volume na my
okay me bacho yo my answer
lawyer am to aso
te aban ni kofa anase wo shemra o hwe bibia as a whole be bia de botae wo a opese wo ye no obeka kire say me pese me ye na fua sa nkrofo we yemfa student visa so far yenim any so far baby a edru student visa na omo dependent no mkofo omo baba na omo ban so omo go school no I think somewhere September or so and abino and in a see form. She said that na year can intend say I was all the cofa parliament 21 days near the Hono abino bo no the convention ya woye. Think I the back parliament no my year because all realize is student base and loophole be about. Okay. On that note, you know, at the 18th, on the 17th, I think 17th of September or so, I see a free 17th September 2023 air corner. We a student, I want to be found dependent in that. In the end, share a question, all we say. I buy them right now, person was no. Once me ready, when is it going to happen? No. Yeah. Care workers, or say, early 2024 care workers multi family dependent but one can say omo afe no mo ya application foforo one can say mo amutimu dada waye ni general inti se uba na ka se metimu dada me pesa me kofa ba na ma twe law na ba currently say na law ni kan.
Are you a care worker or not?
First, we catch him so you're a care worker. No, my catch okay. I buy say from early January 2024, no, ultimate for dependent Emma. Maybe no, but the law in a year, Juma.
Oh, no, ultimate casa, Nami Womudada, ultimate casa.
What was it?
On the ultimate casa, oh, Womudada.
Debbie said they are buying him right now, they are banner, and I may make a chill.
Okay.
Because one can say, oh, Mudada, and answer a fair now, or fair now, we have application. No. Until I'm going by what the law is saying at that point in time. And I'm buying them right now, they are banner, or they started January 2024, no, say dependent. No. One can say, oh, Mudada. And now, I feel now we application. You know. In this case, you know, we have a whole question now. As long as Imrani taking effect from January 2024 now, or see care worker multi form dependent partner or child man, whether we would that the affair now we application now, Imrani bedimu.
Okay.
Right. Reverend, I think Sabia. Futua me madwin chiro wo do ma wo sa onipa no ene say for bear when for application into muntem ne say quite the time na
anybody ya so and 27 it's before 31st of December 2023 an application be at the betum bia no ye be use the old law.
Okay. My friend is here. I can't tell them. Because now person me here because say about say sometimes one here lawyer do with my command false hope. So with my false hope, and maybe I think say she received that hope no, but at the end then I said the lawyer checked him. I think say it is now clear to everybody at OT. I say it's different from because say the work and so the amount. Obi a happen or bad, I think Obi State say, oh, wait there, it is only for those who are now coming. But like what Jatum, I said, this is the new law I'm bringing. So you need new So I think the lawyer has really given us, lawyer Nyamin Shrap. I mean, so, but I think committee, but
thanks very much for your calling. God bless you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Your lawyer, your time no. Okay.
Because baby, I hear born too much, and no, not yet. The baby trans TNT. Okay. First, say you're 2 year bonnet church, Munantia, Sianipa. Why?
Okay. Yo.
So, yeah, share the minimum sponsor partner financial requirement, you're breaking it down so far what it entails. First, or say only to first time applicants, 29,000 I would say meeting. This situation, share on there. Hanosono, one kasa ukofa partner ba now extension, way anyway, are you still going to meet the financial requirement? It also why? 2.5 no, extension. Are you still have to meet the financial requirement? Ask yourself why.
Why?
And no, but in-depth analysis now is part of say you need to
because you have to meet some financial requirement.
Yeah.
Some of the new financial requirement bar that will be the current law. That's how you have to meet.
Yes.
Among us, no, so now any old requirement then because that have been overruled now.
Yeah. 29,000 no. Afei na akofa obiaba. All the sponsors no pen abe meti 29,000.
Okay.
Se nipa ni nya be rem no start year adwuma. Now mo call for extension on the 5-year route as partner. Mummy elu betimi aka musika boom no mo meti 29,000.
Okay.
How na me pese ye share ni so no.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that Tintina sponsor and the pennies will be 29,000 after 2.5. No, how would you be? No.
Okay.
In this case, so we'll go for settlement. We'll go 2.5, so 5 years to that. Now, both of you can meet that financial threshold. Yeah. And so in terms of say. What about the high 38,700 salary threshold for the skilled worker visa? Would that apply to people already here on that visa?
Yeah, question now, Abano.
In this case, listen, it's no. Those already in the skilled work route and applications made before the rules change will not be subject to the new 38,700 salary threshold when they change employment, extend or settle.
That is before the new law takes place. What about after?
After, that's where they will follow the new law.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So after you cry, they say a drive no.
Because me na hear me na kakra, but this is a clarification from the Minister for Legal Migration. Well, if you change a job and you extension.
Okay.
Because I was a bit confused about that side. But the clarification is from the Minister for Legal Migration.
Wow.
So in certain circumstances, people can be paid a little less than the baseline minimum salary and still be sponsored for a skilled worker visa. These include new entrants to the labor market, such as people aged under 26 and postdoctoral researchers. There has been no indication that this would change, except to the significant revisions to the shortage occupation list.
Wow.
And I know so na yadiama nkofo kuya yesi omo hwe na omo enka ho asem Migration Advisory Committee. Because normally they do deal with government policies in terms of immigration, and they purposely send them out to do a research and come out with a figure, come out with the current trend, come out with what they think is right for. And I am sure immigration health surcharge,
Okay.
Increment be a taking effect on the 16th of January 2024. And no comprises of whether you are here or overseas. After now, we make you entrance, we make you visa ABBA, and that is spouse visa.
Okay.
Because I say increasing the full rate of 1,037 from 624 per year to 1,037. 35, sorry. 1,035. 1,035 per year.
Wow. So, lawyer.
2.5, no? Imagine how much it's going to cost.
So, times 2.5.
Yeah.
So, it's almost like 2,500
plus. Yeah.
Wow.
And only a open 2.5 visa. And on the home office fee, Mario, for home office fee, count 1,048 if you are within UK. And now 1,008 BB if you are coming making entrance entry clearance application from outside as a spouse.
Wow.
You may have 4,000 and I said 4,000 and something if you are within here. But outside you need about 5,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, sa okofa me yirabano na me babano.
Yes.
Wow, about 5,000.
Yeah.
It almost.
Yeah, that tells you the sort of. But yeah, sure, Butaya, Home Secretary, and dear Sin and Aswa, Amma Wayne changes ever. All because I was say or cutting down net migration to 300,000 per year.
Wow.
Because as I say, currently figure in 700 and something thousand. So to make Katia within 2 years, or more achieve goals. So you see, most of them, some targeted sort of visa route or more. They feel say honor and a year people are used to more. It been say skilled worker and health and care visas, family visas, student visas. So you see how or more categorizing those routes, Because they realize that those routes, people are taking advantage over that routes. And they have to do something about it. But Michelle Munsua, they forgot to say the same route, is where they are getting the money from.
Yeah, of course.
But you can't eat your cake and have it. Obviously.
Yeah.
You've forgotten about Sikana Award, And I'm a boy.
No crap, say, Eja, almost say, budget deficit, that's one source of a year Monday be funding. Any strikes, wage increment in the same immigration is one of their target source of that income.
Revenue. Yeah.
Now more see sometimes you can't understand them, politicians.
Yeah, indeed. That's what it looks like. Sir, they're also trying to, but also bear in mind, sir, every Home Secretary be about a person try to say who's a warrior.
Yeah. Omoya depa sebi. Try to impress.
Yes.
Impress, so he's on top of the job,
Yeah. Yeah. Because the new Home Secretary James Cleverly by or the policies 5-point plans are too many at the day. In some way, people are saying, "Oh yeah, he can do the job. He can do the job."
Mm-hmm.
All because the plans or the two or no, me cut it down. Net migration as a follow plan now. Yeah. But in some way, it's affecting other part of people, other part of the community, other part of race.
Yeah, of course.
In some way, some discrimination be more.
They need workers. There's still shortage in the system.
Yeah, they need it, and they need it because I'm looking at the future of NHS.
Mm-hmm.
A bit of reading and research economy. I don't know how we are heading towards in terms of the NHS. But I want to show up appointment.
Yeah, waiting. Now we be quite appointment. I don't know.
Yeah, the better was like A&E Main Hospital for OAE. So is the system favoring us, or what is it up to?
Yeah, some.
Yeah, that's what. And upon that's the reason why they open up the health and care, the skilled workers, and that kind of thing to come in. But still, things are not going the way it should be.
Right.
Because until the NHS is settled and be in a proper shape it used to be, I don't think the health system is working.
Right. And you say there's increment in the bar
Yes.
visa application fees, any sign money.
Yeah.
They are going to go up.
Care workers, community form dependence, in a safe form. But if they have regulated by some people we call some of commission be from TQC, Care Quality Commissioner.
Yeah, CQC. Okay.
Yeah, you see, or move to me at the more dependent.
Lawyer, but hono sisu be mine na etie for
on the hono last week come make clarify.
Yeah, because a bar say etie for enti ni say untimi go for we be ama but lawyer chire mu say o the lawyer sisu man biem yesrew na etie for en
yo the etie ni say although mucha dependent partner and child no. Ni employer now or employee one. The employer now is being regulated by Care Quality Commission, CQCR. Omo exempt to come. Omo be exemption na ubetumi de wo partner, dependent partner, and dependent child. Abba.
Okay.
Honor, I was saying, so it has to be regulated. The word regulated by CQC.
Okay.
The most important word. And some of what me issue certificate of sponsorship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Tia poem say send a lawyer actually mono. Obviously actually so muy. And I think say if you are in this situation you have to check on your sponsor, the CQC status, whether they are registered with CQC. And I think there are two ways. And my own one, you can go to the CQC website.
Yes.
Now you can search for your sponsor on the CQC website. If they are registered, they are being monitored by CQCR or being regulated by CQCR, you will see their name there. Two, sometimes company nankasa website if they are regulated by CQC,
they
will state it there. They may even use CQC logo on their website. And I've seen some before, and they even gave the CQC rating.
Yes.
Yeah, whether it's good or it's whatever, excellent, whatever. And these are the two ways I'll bet me. I'll check it. If you are not sure, so I think you can call CQC yourself. Say you want to make an inquiry whether this company is being regulated by you. And if it is yes, then Ebusia, dear Kenyano, like say untimin kofa wile and Okunumano and Obamano, Ubetimia kofaba. Inti, I think say no a good exception pa peboa in Crawford, because I know say a lot of sponsors, they are being regulated. I won't say all of them, but some of them are my check your more they are being regulated by CQC. And I think say peboa so betimi check the CQC connection of your sponsor. If they are being regulated, then you can still bring your spouse or your child even after the inception of this new law. Right. Lawyer, where why are they? Send a team away. Where was it? Wisemart for more contact information is on your screen. You can take a screenshot. Unit 8, the Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, London. E8 3 Delta Lima. Echo 8 3 Delta Lima. And he said, "Won't you be asia obetimi afra omo? Opese omo your application ma obetimi afra omo. Lawyer, and now we can be aka ho nima Wisemart for mo ye. Media de minimum answer nkrata asem.
Immigration terms of area of speciality, immigration and nationality, appeals and so and opesa will naturalize as a British citizen. Also register as a British citizen, and also you dig more akotin judicial review, entry clearance, baso kofa muka for eba, and also no to me the above dying. And now will leave to remain with UK now person or call for extension. Now say a fee now person unya was sitting and will brabe and there are so many rules we can advise you, we can help you to build on so that you get your leave to remain in UK animal. And then on quiet civil litigation, man, so train far say we the worker and I say what you man or money a appear we see in chair or salary and then I say for employment law a beb wow amaya jusika mount. And a biomonso no housing law as well. And yesa Ushemansoa, yesa Ibia say Ghanaian customary marriages, I say and the old school but me with the first one would the application to the Home Office or more ebeji atum. And our employers, and also no more per COS need certificate of sponsorship and answer and more per se and employers need to the Home Office.
Top online radio UK.
The best music on the best radio show.
COS Akofa amount for a free amanone, but you have to be regulated by TQC, Care Quality Commission. Because coming 2024,
get ready to mash up the place.
It's time to
TOS, amount. Yeah, into all areas of law, over at least family law as well. Obana Udebedaya, the Chelsea ABR, say in a tier, and I say, young to me, I wish my wow, I am referrer. Yo, DJ can say, Daddy Day official part and the official part come by your team for the actual top online radio. Afia Baby Rebbe 2024. I am Pieball and they are this say Yankupon Baye Bia Kuma so Adia Amano and Adia or their tune and nim at least Nyankopon be kwai mano no and also ebebem na dani den na yede asida amano. Yo official pa ensubio.
Yo, let us say Lawyer Francis I never boy pa be clarify nema about care, help and care, name visa, skill worker updates are on Monday ebay. That's a pioneer Mishra. Abusia for more contact numbers is on your screen. Lawyer Francis number is 07946 772 439. And that is 07946 772 439. And our more office number 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. I hope from on any of these numbers are open your lawyer Nyamishrao next week same time. We will come your way because in himself in the TBI update.
Definitely.
Have a blessed season and Christmas and Happy New Year.
Christmas and Happy New Year. Same to you. Right. Thank you.
Cheers,
bye.
Ebusia for that was Lawyer Francis Bosompim Wisemart Solicitors. I believe and the program I ensure amount because ran 70 the banade Ebusia easy nti afutu nyina yafa ne se upeso yi bibia ye ne ntem say emra number so mo de ba no time no masesa no o masesa bi me kan sa na e bi ngo mo say spring but say they almost masesa mo adwen January 1st which is just about how many days away and then just a couple of days away nti so yi bibia opeso yi bibia ne ntem we so ye bibia we fakotum ansana your application ansana that 1st January so sebeya we know new nearby no ebia air affected I wish mu nyina happy can I say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I believe I feel everybody ubiara ebisade ubiara kuma so ade trade ampon beye amano. I subscribe to our pages, YouTube or Facebook page, and so every time we come on live, you will be notified. If you are in Ruislip area, there is a small part-time job, just about 12 hours a week. It's a key job, Ruislip, London Ruislip, HA4 postcode. If you are interested, please call this number 079 029 44 398. That is 079 029 44 398. Call that number. Now, also, if you are in the Slough area, Berkshire area, and you are a nurse, now open agency no my call the same number. If you are a nurse, registered nurse in the Slough or Berkshire area, and you want to work for an agency. I won't say agency, NHS. If you are a registered nurse in the Slough Berkshire area, call the same number 079 029 44 398. That is 079 029 44 398. Fresher number no na omono obitin komo. Please download our radio app, which is free. Just go to our website, toponlinestation.com, and scroll down towards the bottom of the page, and you will see the app download links there. And now you can go straight to the App Store or the Play Store and search for Top Online Radio UK. App no a free. You can download. And Tebusia, you will take a few messages from our sponsors before I take leave of you. But of course, this program is fully sponsored by Wisemart Solicitors. The number one bank that has sim ewo UK ha Tibeti Omukrato, Kobebia.
Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for. So what's na hache? Omubeboa wo ma wonsaka won krata. Na se wedi edron so a eyo mokokokra. Eba ni nipa sitnemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia. Omudi mu akotene pa. Omo wo mere di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For more Ghanaian content.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountant. Certified accountant. Certified accountant.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a minicab driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a wabri accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who yachiro. It didn't make for certified accountant at the Yamawo. F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 movement engineer certified accountants, self tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And if you company or Chiwakasa, now what the hotel bro, no this is Capudio Subabro no Bushia. Certified accountant. Say about transfer from the dia. What to construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then we are Juma our temporary workplaces in India. Frano, no one using Capudio Mama. But the other crowd say HMRC4 at the Cabra work. What me wow, it came and yes, as well. What is so cry?
Address 335 to 351 Raynham Road South, Dagenham, RM10 8QR.
Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Mehumba mehua chame. Mudim puntio abba meduma yi.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK and around the world, tune in to Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, views, interviews, and what have you. Download our free mobile radio app from the App Store and the Play Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For all enquiries, advertisements, or to work with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK.
Ghana for our butcher, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter wo emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could die one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for. So what's na hache? Beboa ma wonsa ka won krata. Na se wedi edron so a eyom kokokra. Eba ni nipa sitenemu ani adwuma mu nsem bia. Di mu akotene pa. Wo mre di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Mama fish up. is guaranteed to make you move. Main Street Bistro. Get ready for the sound.
Excuse me, Mr. DJ.
Hey, check this out. We got a great show coming your way.
Mixed by
From around the world, this is Top Online Radio UK. Broadcast live on
Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok.
This is
Top Online Radio UK.
Broadcast live on